Today, I'm going to give you a short message about Independence Day. Independence Day is one of the happiest and the most memorable days in our lives. It is the day when Pakistan gained independence and freedom from the British rule in 1947. This freedom didn't come easily. People, youngsters, elders, and Islamic scholars made countless efforts and faced struggles, hardships, difficulties, and troubles along the way under the leadership of Qaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Today, it's our responsibility to value this precious freedom and Independence Day to make Pakistan prosperous, peaceful, and united. On this auspicious day, I would like to request my government to take practical steps to make Pakistan peaceful, prosperous, and united. Let's work together for a stronger, peaceful, prosperous, and a progressive Pakistan. Long live Pakistan.